Hey guys, Steve Tristan here with Steve Tristan's Best. Today I'd like to show you how to measure a vertical blind that's outside mount, but we have a little, I don't know what, air conditioner in the way. So how would you do this? How would you get around actually putting a vertical blind here? We're in a rental unit, so an apartment unit. So we could go ahead and measure this outside mount because we got workers everywhere. So it's cool. Fine. So on the job always, enjoying ourselves while we work here. So as soon as the saw stops, I'll go ahead and I'll explain myself here. So the window cranks here and the locks will not allow a vertical blind to sit on the inside of the window frame. Therefore, we're going to have to measure on the outside. So I'm going to show you here. First, you take a tape measure. And you could go to here, and then like the opening is normally 70 3/4, but I'm gonna go 3 inches over. So look on the left-hand side, and then I have over here on my left. So I go 3 inches over to the left, and then 3 inches over to the right, which will give me a stock size of 78 inches wide. Okay. And then you go with the height. And it's going to go 3 inches above, 3 inches below, and 3 inches above, which this one is going to give me 56 inches in height. Okay? Okay. So it's that simple. It's a 78 by 56 inches outside mount, and you're going to have a one-way draw, so the wand will come to the left. It'll pull to one side. Okay. Now, what's special about this is this air conditioner. So what we're going to do is, we'll see here, I'm going to section in up to 20 inches. I will take this 20 inches and divide that by 3 1/8. And that will give me how many slats we're going to need here. So, I mean, if it was 21 inches and 3 inches, you can kind of guess that that's going to be 7 veins across. Generally, an installer will come and cut them himself, but if we're going to order them that way, we would have to call out 7 veins at a different size. So we're going to deduct a ½ inch from the height of this and add 3 inches. So it's going to be, let's see, we're at 28 there, 29, 30, 31. And then we're going to deduct a ½ inch, so it'll be like 30 1/2 inch veins that we would need here, okay? So I hope that's clear. We'll include some kind of instruction, a page to link to try to show how to do that, and we'll draw a diagram with that as well. Okay, guys? Thank you very much. Take care. God bless, and catch you next time. See ya. Interesting how the windows just open, they leave it there, just the air conditioner on. Cool.